Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes this week, we were talking about friends and friendship. And one of my students told this story about how when she was about 19 or 20, she had a huge crush on her best friend's boyfriend. She really fancied this guy, and she became convinced that he fancied her too. But despite that, she never let on because it was her best friend's boyfriend. If you say someone didn't let on or they never let on, you basically mean that they didn't tell somebody else or anybody else about something they knew, particularly something that was a secret. And it's often used in a negative kind of way grammatically. So, she never let on. Sometimes when you're watching police dramas, maybe they've arrested a suspect and they're interrogating them. They're asking them lots of questions because they feel like the suspect knows more than they're letting on. They know more than they're telling the police. Maybe if something that you don't want other people to know about happened last night, you might say to anyone else who was involved in this or who witnessed it or took part in it, listen, please don't let on to anybody else about what happened last night, okay? Promise? Maybe there are sometimes situations where parents are having money problems, but they don't let on to their children or to their partners because they don't want to unduly worry them. And sometimes you might see stories about people who've been convicted of particular crimes. And when they're in prison, they might let on to another prisoner that they'd actually committed, say, 3 more murders than they'd been convicted of, for example. Yeah? So, if you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, please try to add an example of how you might use let on. All the examples that you do add help us with the algorithms. Thanks for watching.